Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Maxima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.